Hey, it's Jonathan with Mobility Lift Aids. Here I have a 2022 Chrysler Voyager with 39,983 miles. This van is equipped with an AMS bifold side entry ramp. And this ramp is operated by the in and out button on the second fob. We're going to go ahead and hold out. And another nice feature on this ramp, if we keep holding out, it's actually going to activate the kneel. So we'll give it a second here, and we'll see the van start to lower. And we'll take a look inside. Very smooth and easy operation. You do have the rubberized flooring in this unit, makes it very easy for cleanups and maintenance. Of course, we do include the Q-Strength retractables with every van purchase. We have our 3-seater bench there in the back. And of course, the front 2 seats are removable, so we can opt to go with the transfer seat in the front, or they can be removed. One can be removed for the user in the wheelchair to ride up front. That can be driver or passenger. Take a look at the driver's area here. We have automatic headlights. And here's a rocker switch for the ramp here as well, if you'd like to use the button, just like the key fob that I was holding earlier. And again, there's our mileage, 39,983 miles. This vehicle does have parking sensors, so you can turn them off with that button there as well. Another nice feature on this one is this vehicle does have blind spot monitors. Let us know if you have any questions on this vehicle. This is a beautiful van. Reach us at 713-939-9922. You can also see us online, check out our other inventory at texaswheelchairvan.com. Thank you.